everyone. Do you know why I'm filming next to wood? Because we are talking about termites. Today I will tell you some interesting facts about termites. Termites are one of the oldest insects in the world. Termites are social animals and they raise their young in groups. Termites spend a long time grooming each other and staying clean. Good hygiene is important for their survival. Termites eat non-stop 24/7. If you are thinking of inviting a termite to your house for dinner, they will not be a good guest because termites would eat the table and the chair. Termites have some glands in their chest to make special scents. This scent helps termites communicate with each other. The worker and soldier termites are blind, but reproducing termites have eyesight. I hope you like my interesting facts about termites. In my next video, I'm going to tell you a story about Solomon's Suleiman alayhi salam's termites. Bye!